Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove grid lines in Tradingview. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines that appear on the chart to help with price and time measurement, but sometimes they can be distracting and clutter the chart. To remove grid lines, start by logging into your Tradingview account and opening a chart. You can do this by clicking on the chart button at the top of the screen and selecting the desired symbol and time frame. Once the chart is open, click on the settings icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the chart. This will open the chart settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your chart. In the chart settings menu, click on the Appearance tab. This tab contains various options to customize the visual appearance of your chart, including the grid lines. To remove the grid lines, simply uncheck the boxes next to horizontal grid and vertical grid. You can also adjust the color and style of the grid lines if you prefer to keep them on the chart. After making the desired changes, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the menu to save your changes. The grid lines should now be removed from your chart, giving you a cleaner and less cluttered view of the price action. It is worth noting that you can also customize other aspects of your chart, such as the background color, text color, and more, all from the chart settings menu. By following these steps, you can easily remove grid lines from your Tradingview chart and improve your overall trading experience. Remember to experiment with different settings to find the combination that works best for you and your trading strategy.